Come test drive the 2020 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. Come take a test drive today.